Flying. I think you can see it there, right? Well, this is a donkey. So this a donkey would have more ears like that, right? It just looks like it's crying. That's all I got. Just there. Imagine the Messias is coming. He's coming on a donkey on a long way, humbly. There it goes. I like a horse called Relaxingo. There is there it goes. Now it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I had this done for 2 years. 2 years ago I got this done. It was not to put the board or blackboards, was to put the glass in storage, and finally got to paint the background. So let's see how will it go. If you put like that, you can see it. Look, look at there. There's a donkey. Let me see this. There was a story of a nun, and she would be saying that Mary would be sitting on a donkey in the way to Jerusalem with Joseph saying yes, yes, yes all around her because of the connection she had with the Holy Spirit. All right. Okay, hello to this moment. We can see here there's a donkey. And here is the world. North, south. There you go. All the nations of the world are waiting for you. We can cut these 100 and what, 80? All the nations in the world, not only you, okay, waiting there. With the most talented people that God has sent us, and everyone has their own land and movement. There are also movements between human interaction and transitions from scenarios as we travel around the world. For those who have traveled and can learn to exchange values, transform values, recover many mansions. There you go. I cannot really. There you go. So we're gonna bring the Messias in our shared imagination. All right. And there's a donkey. Bringing peace and harmony. I can bring you one in the flesh of man. I don't have money for a donkey, so let's share in virtual reality. I can provide internet for myself, and hopefully we can provide to the world, multiplying. So you can create your own tech titan as well. And we need to see also the tech titans of the world, the ones that already exist in Russia, in China, and how human rights are being observed and reflected. In our interaction, we can learn to be better people, treating one another. It takes many generations, so let's not hope too much from this one to celebrate. It can only happen through the international court, and the people deserve to see justice. So not only a few, they will still have the money back from the credit. It all comes back to the credit and the creativity, not to have slavery. You need to see that we cannot living in such small places. We love to create spaces to be, to dance. If we take the laws of people filming in discotheques and having a phone, many places to dance will return. So artificial intelligence can only work with human interaction. All right? It's here. Now, change is from the moment that someone invented the wheel. We do have asymmetric dependence, and in metaphysical orthodoxy, we also have logos, the transform through our desires, our political thoughts from the air into the reality as we compose together and refine our way of communicating. This is how we connect through education, we connect through the arts. We just don't connect with devices. You need more than that to connect. You have music, the sound of your words, how the sounds are gravitating in your emotions and vibrating. Are there sounds of cosmic, like waves in the outer space? Are you imagining that you expand with the sounds? So they all correlate throughout stories as well. And we have the potential to allow this multiplication to flow. All the people that have their industries, the more people become managers and are shipped to other countries if they want to make a mansion into a village and create that industry there, they will leave room for other managers that already work in your industry. And it's very easy to learn to appreciate what we already have. So bringing a stock to what we have, putting the data, like in McDonald's, so you have again what you need for the next week. Okay. Well, you can see it actually. It's not that bad. You will have a layer that shows in the map. So it will show a layer of the components in the earth you have. So you click in the map and you will see all the people from your country that said how much of this mineral they have. And there is a lot of work to put for your people. So they collaborate in order to generate for themselves. But seeing the world at the same time, it helps us to promote this multiplication. You will have the layers of another company if you like to see all the companies that you want to see. And you see more layers for the rivers in the world. We will be able to see those layers. The future generation will be able to calculate the formula of how one country or one continent and culture is taking care as well with all the human rights that we will be able to see. All those human rights, more or less, because the women that like to be devoted to their men can be devoted any place in the world and be a follower. Perhaps will bring a better formula to honor that man. And you can apply more and more layers for those who manufacture electric cars and how we get to travel through green energy. The future generation helping other places to see how we would rather travel by train, even if it takes longer. So you have all the layers, and you can see it in the map. We need to see the world to see what the countries need from one another. So tyranny exists when you don't care that you bringing chaos in the world because you will fight, and that's stubbornness, right? You see, I am a free woman. I have a free mind and thoughts. Mm, you too can expand your love. What better is it to bring abundance to all your people? So you got a big percentage away from the tech titans with pause for a little and think